Hello everyone, this is Akash from Wisedoc. In this video, I'm going to show you 8 key features of Wisedoc which will help you to create the best resume you want for job applications. Okay, the first feature is adding a section. Once you create a Wisedoc file, on the left side you will see the list of sections present, and in the bottom you have a button called Add Section. So click on that. There you will see list of pre-built sections where you can click anything you want and add that particular section. For example, in this case, we just added leadership section right after personal info. If you want to reprioritize it and reorder it, let's say you want to place this leadership skills after the skills section, just click on that and drag and drop right after the skills section or before this projects. So drop right here. You can see on the right, the leadership is added as per your priority. If you want to remove the particular section, simple, just hover on it. On the right side, you see a minus button and click the minus button. There you go. The section is deleted. The second feature is expert tips. You must be searching across the internet about how to write a resume and every individual sections of it. Wisedoc will save ton of your time by providing some expert tips. All you need to do is, there is an expert tips option on the right side corner. You can go to the expert tips option and then you can see the expert tips for every individual item of this particular section. If you want to see expert tips of a different section, let's say go to work experience, you can go to expert tips again, then you can see some tips for that particular section. All right, let's jump into feature number 3, which is real-time preview. As you keep writing your resume content in the center, the data keeps populating on the right side and you can see the resume basically being built while you're writing it. Pretty cool, huh? As you can see on the left, while I'm typing the name, on the right, the data keeps populating, giving you a real-time experience of how your resume is going to be shaping up in the end. It saves a lot of time and gives a great experience. So if you want to change additional details of resume for more customization like font style and font sizes, it's pretty simple. You can go to the full screen for better view and then you can change any font size you like or font style you like. And you can also change different colors as per your comfort. I would choose with the blue. There you go. It's a beautiful resume where you can see in real time. The next feature is adding skills to your resume. As you may want to represent skills in form of several categories, Wisedoc will help you achieve it in a better way. If you want to add a category of skills, just click the plus button beside the skills category and it will add you a new category. Within that, you can add more skills by pressing additional plus buttons beside every individual skill, and you can add as many skills as you want within this category. If you want to rate your skills, there are stars present beside every skill input. You can basically add your ratings to every skill depending on what template it is. And also if you want to disable it, just hold on to the same stars and it will disable the ratings. Now, I understand that you may want to reprioritize your skills once you write it. So you don't have to basically delete and write everything again. On the left side of every skill or the category, you can see a symbol when you hover on it. You can drag and drop depending on where you want to reorder the particular skill or the category. As you can see here, you can reorder the skill category or just the skill itself. Now that you have created a beautiful resume, if you want this to be in a different template, you don't have to write the entire resume in another file. All you need to do is go to Gallery Pad on the top right corner. Just click on this button. You can see the entire list of templates Wisedoc provides for you. And if you want this to be in another template, just click on that. Wisedoc transfers all the content into the new ones and it's ready for download. The next feature is collaborative writing. Now that you have created a beautiful resume which is ready for job applications, I would say hold on to one last thing. If you want your resume to be reviewed by your peer, senior, or an advisor, all you need to do is share within Wisedoc. You really don't have to download this resume and email them, which takes time and effort. You can simply go to the share option and put in the email of your friends email, and select a particular option called co-owner or contributor so that they can make some comments or editings to the file, and then add them and send them. Simple. Now this resume file is shared with your friend and they can also make some editing and make your resume even better. Alright, saving the best feature for the last. Guys, this feature will be a time saver. I understand that you are applying for several jobs and each job will have different job descriptions. So you might need different resumes for every individual application. So you don't have to create 100 different files and then download into PDFs. All you need to do is create one master file in Wisedoc and then deselect those specific skills and select the only ones which matter for your position. For example, if you are applying for a job in artificial intelligence, and if you do not care about adding some element analysis or a different set of skills, you can just enable or disable those specific skills and then download the resume for that job description. Now, if you want to apply for a different job, you can select that respective skills by selecting and deselecting them, and then you can have infinite number of resumes depending on what job you're applying for. This is a time saver. Here you go. Guys, you got a beautiful resume which is ready for job applications. All you need to do is download this and then submit for job applications. This resume is already ahead of so many others because it's beautiful, it's ATS friendly, and it has a great content. Now, I just downloaded this for you guys, and as you can see, what you see in the preview is what you get in the end. All right. Now that you have a beautiful resume created, go ahead for job applications. And if you have some success stories, please share with us. And please comment the best feature you like and also subscribe for more content. Thank you very much.